Alright, this is a 2006 Ford Escape. I'm not going to take this off, but my calipers are not retracting. So after looking up a bunch of shit on Google, I think it's my brake lines, and you can see where someone has this all twisted up. Got some new ones off of Amazon for like 15 bucks. 14mm wrench. Gotta take this off. There's a clip here, and then this whole hose turns to take this off. All right. All right, I ended up getting these out with a pair of pliers, just yanking them out. It's much easier than a screwdriver. Let's see if I can get this. As this piece comes out, just gotta unscrew it from here. There's little notches. You can use a adjustable to hold it. Shit, this is the right size, motherfucker. Nope. Thirteen millimeter. This whole hose spins off. That's why it's all bent up. Just get it snug. Don't crank it all the way in. And these should sit back in here. All right. right, now I'm just gonna pop them clips back in, and then I'm gonna take this off and bleed this line out, and then I'm gonna do the other side, and hopefully that fixes my problem. All right, I had to take this back off. There's two little grooves in here that sit in there, and I didn't have them lined up. See if I can get this back in here now. All right, them clips were a pain in the ass to get back on. Just had to beat them on with a hammer. All right, I've loosened this up, and I'm gonna bleed my brakes out. Just gonna go in the car and pump it a couple times, and I'm gonna try this to see if I can get it to go in there. And that's it, done. Pretty sure that was the issue. You can see how beat up these are, and you can tell the difference driving the car.